everyone. So Thursday, and we're going to do share and review. Today, I'm going to talk to you about Heartland Banking Group. Share my screen. Right, as you can see here, I've got the 2-year interval up on Heartland Bank or Heartland Group Holdings. And basically, as you can see, for the last 2 years, they have really been in a downtrend. Okay, they reached a high back in December 2021 of about $2.52. They are now trading as at the end of last week of $1.57. So you can clearly see that the last 4 weeks in a row have been losses or downward movements. So this is a very, very vulnerable share. So we'll put some indicators on. Now, while I'm doing that, I just want to remind you that this is not personalised advice at all. It's simply education, and it's simply just to give you an idea to methodologies I use. Obviously, they're not set in stone or anything like that. It's just to give you an idea of something that I use, and hopefully it will help. So basically, the Heartland Group, they started trading below their moving average around the middle of May this year, and they've been trading down. We did see a very slight sort of crossover here where the faster moving average, the 15-week moving average, moved through the 30, and that was around the 23rd of July. Since then, traded down again, crossed back through, which was only about a week ago that it traded down. But you can see it's just in a continual downtrend anyway. So this for me is not a share that I would want to be buying, simply because even without these moving averages on, you can see that it's in an actual downtrend, okay, which is something I want to keep away from. Heartland Group, they do pay a very, very good dividend, but for me, I don't want to be buying a dividend if dividend paying stock if obviously the share is trading down. So like I say, we got to a high here of $2.52, so you've lost over $1 and almost or but over 12 months. So we'll just have a look and see if we can put the NZX over it as well. So if you saw my video on Tuesday, you would have seen that the New Zealand Stock Exchange is still, in my view, trending down. And this is what you can see here as well. So it's companies like Heartland, and most of the companies I have been featuring of late, and it's certainly randomness. It's not, I haven't been picking these stocks specifically. It's just the way they're coming up. Most of them are trading under the New Zealand Stock Exchange in the top 50 in the main board, and this is the why it's dragging the main board down. Yes, there are the odd one or two. I have come across one that earlier that was trading above, but clearly this is not there as well. So for me, if I was in the stock, hey, based on where I tend to have my stops, I mean, even if you're using just a benchmark like this with the New Zealand Stock Exchange, you'd be hit out around August this year, and obviously you could have saved yourself a lot of pain. So that's really all I've got to talk about today with Heartland Group. Just looking quickly down the bottom, very little volume. You can see here. Like last week, for the whole week, there was only 822,000 shares traded. Oh, sorry. That one doesn't even rate. So the week before there was only 822,000 shares traded. So yes, not a lot of volume. So not really something that I would want to be getting into at this stage. I'd want to see those moving averages cross. B, I'd want to see the New Zealand Stock Exchange improving and in positive territory, or at least trading above their moving averages, and then of course I would want to see that share trading above the New Zealand Stock Exchange as well. So I hope that helps, and come back next week and hopefully we can have something more exciting. And don't forget, if you're liking these or if you want some more information, please comment, and I'll hopefully be able to give you a little bit more education around the way I trade the share markets. So we'll catch up soon. Thank you.